What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a little intake upgrade. As you can tell, I got this K&N one. Baby ass little pipe. It's carb legal. You know, it's alright, whatever. We're gonna be upgrading with this rare SRT intake that I just picked up from the homie right here in SoCal. Check it out. This is a big hyped SRT intake. The best intake you could freaking find for this shit. Well, as you guys know, as you guys can tell, this is a way bigger pipe than this little tiny man. Let's compare this shit. You versus the guy just telling you not to worry about. Look at that shit. You, the other guy. You, and the other guy. That's a big pipe right there. Forward there, boys. And of course, came with the racing ECU. Very, very badass. I've been waiting for this intake for like 2 years. I've been searching and searching off-road, freaking Facebook forums, constantly. I never get lucky to come across this intake. The homie on Instagram, I found that guy on Instagram selling me like other parts, and I got lucky. He had this last one for sale. The homie has like a black edition, hard to come by and looks really damn new. But it's working. This is what we're working with. Still got the intake, same thing, you know, same ECU. Let's see some gains going. Shout out to the homie. Porting my intake manifold and throttle body. You could ECU's in. Alright, so for this shit, I'm using just temporary these little clips so you get a Harbor Freight. You know, I was kind of excited. I just want to throw that shit on. You know, I had the time right now, so fucking, you know, a little upgrade from that.
Yo no me traigo el martillo y me pongo el trajecillo para lucir elegante. Al levantarme me mojo mi piso.
For these two wires right here, you need to cut this green and black one for the O2 Lexus and up. Is what you gotta do. These two wires. I'll show you what's the next step right now. Alright then, guys, I got the setup going on right now. Here's the official test drove and everything, and this is the official setup for the Lexus for the O2 and up. This is a manual transmission, but I'm pretty sure everything's the same. For the first cavity, look, check that shit out. You got the red one from the ECU. Second cavity. This is the green one that you gotta cut off, and you wire up the orange one for the outer one. That one leads to the engine. That green and black one that you just cut, that was just one piece, is connected now with that orange one, and then the green and black one that is connected to the, what's it called? Well, you know, connector right there. It's connected with the green one from the Race ECU. So that's it for that cavity. They move on to that last one for the sensor 2. You see that black and red one with the purple one? Boom. And you see the the white and red one, the ECU one, to the SRT one, or SRT white. Boom, goes like that. Check out the setup, how it's going. You see the ones that you cut. Boom, boom. Yeah, that's the official setup for that. And well, I got this PCR chip, performance chip. Just want to see if it does any good. Kind of does in a way. It's alright. I still have it hooked up, you know, to the map sensor. You can read the instructions. You can use these connectors right there as well, and hop into that. Let me show you. It's the brown one to that black one, and then goes. Hold on. Goes to a blue one with the black stripe. Goes with that other black one, and that's how you connect this PCR one. And well, I guess that's the right way where this map sensor goes. Look how crazy this intake is. It's a big ass difference for sure. So a little bit of heat wrap right there from AutoZone. That was whatever one I had. And well, this is the intake I had on the other one. Before I used to go over the pipe, but now it goes inside the pipe on this one because the pipe is way wider on this one. But yeah, shit's cool. The guy sold me there and gave me the coupler right here, where the little heat shield is, the K&N one. It's alright, I don't really care. Got it for a good deal. I've been looking for this shit for like 2 years. Yep, that's the setup one more time. Deposit and shit. And check it out. And that's it. Close the cover. Then you connect your negative terminal. Boom. Have it on for a couple minutes. Go for a drive. Let it idle again. And yeah, just do that for like 2 hours. Nah, not 2 hours. Like an hour, to be honest. And the ECU will slowly program itself as you drive. And it's getting used to that. This performance chip and all this air that goes into the fucking manifold now. Big numbers. Mm-hmm.